Are you ready to revolutionize your creative workflow? Today, I'm showing you how to master the Google Flow AI agent, a game-changing assistant that builds everything from hyper-realistic art to cinematic arts with just a single prompt. We will cover everything from the basic setup to advanced storytelling techniques. Stay tuned and make sure to watch until the end to see the incredible clips we created using the Google Flow AI agent.
Experience the refreshing splash of Cocoa Breeze, 100% natural coconut juice.
Okay, the first thing is to be able to access Google Flow AI agent. And how do you do that? You go to Google, then you say Google Flow AI. You click on this. Okay, you click on this Google Labs AI Creative Studio for video, image, and custom tools. Then it brings you to this interface. And the next thing you have to do is to open a new project. You click on new project. Yes, you come to this interface. You can see the new update now. You can see by the left hand side, you can see all media, character, scenes. You can also see tools, the trash, and also you can also collapse the panel. So how do you access the Google Flow AI agent? You can come down here. You can see the prompt box here. You can see the word here, agent. All you need to do is to click on agent. Oh, you can see the interface. The prompt box here will automatically change. You can see the first one says agent instructions. And you can see by the right hand side, you can also see settings. You can click on settings. Now you can see the setting panel. You can see agent settings. Agent settings. Yeah. Let's see. Let me reduce this. Okay, you see agent settings, and it's giving you two options. Agent will ask for confirmation before generating media. The second one says agent will generate media and spend credit automatically. No, I want agent to always ask for confirmation. And how do you also configure the image generation? The default is 16 by 9. If you want 4 by 3, 1 by 1, 3 by 4, and 9 by 16, you can decide to choose any one for the image generation. So we are setting up the agent so that any image you generate will be generated based on these settings. If you want to generate 2 images per prompt, you can click on 2 images, but I want to generate them. You say 1 image per prompt. And the image generation tool you want to use, we have several options here. We have Nano Banana Pro, we have Nano Banana 2, and we also have Imagine 4. I'll be using Nano Banana Pro. Then let's go ahead to the video generation default. We have 16 by 9. You can decide to choose 9 by 16. How many video per prompt? 1 video per prompt. The video generation model you would like to use, is it Omni Flash, or you want to use VEO 3.1 Lite, or VEO 3.1 Fast, or VEO 3.1 Quality? I'll be using VEO 3.1 Lite. Okay, which will cost me 10 credit per generation, per video generation. So this is the setting I have given to Google Flow AI agent. So I'm going to be saving it now. Okay, it is saved now. That is it. And I can also decide to add instruction. You can see agent instruction. You click on this agent instruction. You can add whatever instruction that you want to add. If you want all the images to be in hyper realistic, you can just include it. You can create a guideline for your agent. You can include the reference image and include the guideline for the agent, so that when you are creating, when you are generating an image, then it will definitely work according to the guideline. Okay, so if you want to expand this panel, you click on this. When you click on this, you can see the panel is expanded. You can click on this history. You can choose to create 2 different session here. Create a new session. You can see now we have the first session, we have the second session. 2 different sessions here. you can come to this place. You can see have the agent instruction. You see have the agent settings. If you want to redo the settings, you want to include any other thing you want to include in the settings. Okay, so the first one we are going to be doing, okay, let me rename this session. Okay, untitled session, let me rename it as let me just say some content creation. That's all. Done. You can see it saved our content creation. The second one, let me rename it as product. Let's say product ads. Product ads. Okay, done. So I have two sessions now. We have content creation, we have product ad. Let me start with the content creation. Okay, I'm going to click on this. I'll say, okay, what do you want to create? I'll say create image of a black whale with a diver in a deep sea. Okay, you can also say create in three different image style. You can say including hyper realistic, 3D Pixar, and 3D Pixar. Okay, and you can say and claymation style. Okay, you can just go ahead and create the image and click on this icon, and it begins to analyze. You know, the Google Flow AI agent is just like an AI assistant that understand what you want to create. They say, what would you like me to kick off this 3 image generation costing is 0 credit? Approve. If I click approve, do not ask again. No, I will always want you to approve everything that every prompt I put in there. So I'll click on approve, and it begins to generate those images for me without me trying to generate it one by one using one AI tool or the other. Be informed that in this generation, I'm generating an image using several image generation style. I'm not only using hyperrealism style, I'm using 3D Pixar cartoon style, I'm using claymation style, I'm also using hyperrealistic style. You can see now, you can see what I said. This is the hyperrealistic, you can see, and this is the claymation style, and this is the 3D Pixar cartoon style. You can see how Google Flow AI agent can help you reduce your workload when you want to generate multiple images using different style. Okay, let's look at it very well. Let's see. Let's look. This is it. This is nice. This is the 3D Pixar cartoon style. You can decide to edit it by rewriting. What do you want to change? You can go ahead and change whatsoever you want to change. Okay, we have the claymation style here. This is the claymation style. This is nice. This is good. And we have the hyper realistic style here. You can see now. This is okay. This is just nice. Look at the diver. The diver is there. Okay. The next thing is that I can ask the Google Flow agent to help me animate the hyper realistic image. Okay. You can say, okay, animate the hyper realistic image in and it's always 8 seconds video. Okay, a video. Okay, let's see what it's gonna give to us. You know, I already have a setting for the video generation, and the setting is 16 by 9. It's 16 by 9, and it will be generating just one video, not two video, not two. The same thing I did for the image generation. So it's asking me again, would you like me to kick off this one video costing 10 credit? Yeah, video generation costs 10 credit. You know, it gives you 50 credit on a daily basis. Google Flow AI gives you 50 credit on a daily basis. So I can approve it, approve. Yeah, I think our video is ready. Let's see what we have here now. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. You can decide to change the edit. You can describe your edit. You can decide to change the what the diver is wearing. You can try to change the color of the whale to white whale. You can just click here, change the color of the whale to white whale. You can do that here, and you can decide to choose whatsoever video generation tools that is available in Google Flow AI. You can see how stony, how cinematic these images. You can see how cinematic it is. Let's go back. Let's see. You can come to this side. The three dot here, you decide to download it in original size. You click on 720 pixel, which is very free, which is free for you to download. Wow, you can see here, it is already downloaded. It is already downloaded. So we are done with these sections. I said we have two sections. Google Flow AI agent makes it easy for you to use different sessions for your content creation. You can use different sessions for your content creation. You can use different sections for your content creation. So let's look at the other section. This is the other section. It says product ads. Okay, product ad. Which product do I want to advertise? Which product do I want to? What I want to do is that I want to create. Okay, let me upload this product first. Let me go to upload media and search for a product. I have a product. I'm uploading the product. We have to wait a while to get the product uploaded. Okay, you can see now. We have Cocoa Breeze. It's 100% natural coconut juice. You can see this is the product. Now, let's say you have a product now. Okay, we click here. We click on this. You add a product to this prompt box. Because the section we have now is product ads. Okay, you can say create two product photography for the attached products. Okay, two product photography image. Okay. Also create 3 image ads for the attached products. Okay, make the image ads reflects the content of the products. For example, they can drink in the mixed of coconuts. Okay, for example, I'm just giving it for example, something creative. So I'll go ahead and click on this. Let's see what it gives to us. Wow, you can see now. You can see now. We have the 5 images already. We have the 2 product photography. It said, I have generated the 2 product photography images and 3 image ads for the coconut breeze coconut juice can. You can see them in the grid now. This is it. Wow, the product photography, this is the first one. And this is the second product photography. These are the 3 image ads. You can see this one by the side of the coconut. You can see this one with splashed water, breeze, can, palm leaves. You can see this is nice. This is nice. Okay, you can decide to animate any one of them. You can decide to animate any one of them. You can see. Let me download some of these images. You can decide to animate any one of them. You can say, okay, animate the image ads with splashed water. This is the one with splashed water. I want it to animate it. Then I will go ahead and click on submit. Let me see what it gives to us now. Approve. So I think it is ready. Let's look at it very well now. Okay.
Experience the refreshing splash of Cocoa Breeze, 100% natural coconut juice.
Wow, this is it. This is just it. This is just perfect. Oh, you can decide to add your own voiceover if you want to, the kind of statement you want to make. This is just perfect. This is nice. This is just AI creating content I mean, making content creation very, very, very easy for you. Very, very easy for you. Okay, let me create one more, one more, one more, one more, one more. Okay, let me create one more panel, create a new session. Okay, let me create a new session. Okay, I can decide to name the new session is storyline. Let's say story. Okay, story. Okay, I click on it and create a story of a monkey escape from a giant python. From a giant python. Okay, from a giant python. From a giant python. Okay, or you can say five. You can say, okay, let's say you can say three image shots. Three image shots. That's all. That's what I need. Okay, go ahead and click on it and see what it gives to us. You know, you can decide to write a story and just paste it there. You just want a short clips. You know, a short clips of the story. You know, something creative. Just three image shots. You can also you can choose to include that it must be hyper realistic or it has to be 3D Pixar style cartoon. You know, this is how to leverage the power of AI. Not only that, to generate hyper realistic videos for your product advertisement and also for your storytelling. You can see the story now. This is nice. This is just it. This is just it. A story of escape. You can see the images now. You can see the images now. This is nice. This is very nice. Okay, okay. I can decide to animate the monkey launching air python strike. Okay. There's a title here. I have the title here. I can decide to animate it here. Animate this one. I can say, okay, I can say animate the monkey launching air python strike. Okay, I can say animate the monkey launching air python strike. Okay, that is it. And it will animate it for me. Let me see. I can decide to animate all, but I'm not animating all. So I'm just animating one of it to give you insight on the best way to use Google Flow AI agent as an AI assistant to help you creatively generate your image content or video content for your various social media platform and also for easy monetization. Let's see what it gives to us now. Okay, I think it is ready now. We click on this. Let's watch it. Let's see what will happen. Okay, we have it. This is nice. This is nice. You can decide to download it here. Click on download and 720 Pixar. So this is exactly how to leverage the power of Google Flow AI agent. You know, you can use it for various things. You can create various sessions for your content creation. So thank you very much. If you look at this, the images, you can discover that the image of the monkey is not consistent, you know. Okay, before you do that, you can always solve that by attaching a particular image of a monkey, of a character that you have already devised. I'm going to create a video on how to define character using Google Flow. Okay, you can create a static character and attach it here. Yeah, and say this is the monkey, the attached monkey based on it in the instructions. You can also go to this instruction and click on it and click on the instruction and just attach a reference. You know, you're going to be using this image for the story or whatever. These are just way on how to navigate your content creation. So you can see now, thank you very much I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I want to believe that you are going to apply it effectively in generating content for yourself and also for monetization. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I also want you to share and also comment and also like. Be the best.